Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty. What a weekend it was. I love when the sun is shining and I get to cook up some snacks for my family. This weekend I made them one of our favorites. I love making them chicken wings for lunch when we have a lot going on and we're busy. These are so fast and easy to make. The flavor of these chicken wings is absolutely incredible and I know you guys are gonna love it. So let me show you guys how to make these sweet heat sticky Old Bay chicken wings. I can't wait to show you guys. So let's jump right into this one. Alright, when it comes to making my family chicken wings, I have to have them well done. I love them extra crispy, and although I've showed you guys how to make them right on the griddle surface a ton of times, I'm showing you guys how I make them in the air fryer, which requires a lot less work. That way we can continue on with doing our yard work as these are cooking and doing their thing. I have 1.5 pounds of fresh chicken wings that were already cut at the store. I've patted these dry and put them into a bowl. To that, I'm gonna drizzle over some sunflower oil, anything from sunflower oil, safflower oil, or extra light virgin olive oil or duck fat are my favorites for chicken wings to help with that crispy, crunchy skin. To that, we're seasoning with some simple fresh cracked black pepper, some Sicilian sea salt, and in a little bowl I have some cornstarch that I've seasoned up with a little bit of garlic powder and onion powder. Now, garlic powder and onion powder are key to me on a chicken wing. You have to have those, and the cornstarch is going to really help to create that crispy, crunchy skin as well. And I'm gonna dive right in with my hands and rub this all over the chicken so that it really covers every single inch of these chicken wings. Now these are ready to go right into our air fryer. I have these preheated to medium heat. You can spray with a little non-stick spray or the Blackstone spray just to prevent these from sticking. And then I'm gonna place them into both drawers nice and spread out from each other. We'll let these go and do their thing, checking them every 5 minutes, giving them a toss or a flip as needed. I'm gonna start on our wing sauce. Into a very small pot, I'm gonna add in some Texas Pete hot sauce. I love Texas Pete hot sauce. It is so delicious, especially when you flavor this with some honey. So I'll add in a good bit of honey to give this a sweetness, plus the honey is gonna make this sauce nice and sticky and glossy. To that, we're gonna season up with one of my favorites, Old Bay seasoning. I love the flavor of Old Bay. It brings me right back to being a kid down the shore. Everyone's hands are covered in Old Bay and we're all laughing and eating tons of crabs that my grandfather would catch for us. A little bit of garlic. I'm using the garlic paste that Todd has got me hooked on, which if I didn't have it, I would use nothing else but a fresh garlic clove, grate it right into this. We'll thin this out with just a little less than half of this large lemon, just enough to, again, to thin this out a bit and give it a pop of freshness. We'll allow all of these flavors to marry together on the Blackstone griddle surface. This pot is gonna lay in one of our zones on medium heat just until it comes to a low boil. Meanwhile, keeping sure to check on our wings, flipping them or shaking them as needed. After they are all getting nice and crispy on the outside, I've combined them into one air fryer drawer and they are almost done. I'm going to continue to shake these and let them go just until they are a little bit more golden in color, since I like mine well done on the outside. Our sauce looks nice and thickened and shiny, glossy, so let's pull that off and get our wings out of our air fryer drawer. They look perfect. We'll place these into a metal mixing bowl and then pour on top that gorgeous sauce that we made. Give them a toss, allowing every inch of these wings to get covered in this sticky, sweet hot Old Bay sauce, adding some small chopped up chives for a pop of color, and I love the little bite of freshness. Now I've gotten so overly excited to chow down on these chicken wings that I must have forgot to hit the record button before plating these. I've added some slices of lemon just for a good presentation, as well as if anyone wants to add a little extra squeeze of lemon juice over their wing before eating. And of course, zhuzh them up with a little extra chives and a post dusting of our Old Bay, and these are ready for the family to dive in. They all love these, which means you guys have now got to go try them, because I know you're gonna love them too, and I can't wait to see a picture. So don't forget to post and tag Blackstone products, tag Blackstone Betty. While you're at it, stop by griddlenation.com and check out the t-shirts and tank tops and stickers. Zhuzh yourself up with something fancy to wear. So until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty. I can't wait to see you guys enjoying these at home. I will see you guys in the next video.